Hello everyone. In today's video I present the latest on the GoDaddy data breach, which was made public 3 days ago. GoDaddy is a web hosting company with over 20 million users that use it to host their websites. The breach occurred within its cPanel shared hosting, and the attackers are still unknown. The attackers were able to install malware on GoDaddy's servers, as well as stealing source code. The threat actor was persistent, and the attack was carried out over several years, at least since 2019. The attackers were able to leverage compromised sites to redirect web traffic to their domains, thus being able to steal credentials. In November 2021, the attackers used a compromised password to breach GoDaddy's WordPress environment to get credentials and keys of the affected users. The password was compromised by a phishing attack in which employees of the company gave out their passwords to the attackers due to social engineering. A previous attack leveraged access to SSH credentials of 28,000 GoDaddy users. Currently, GoDaddy is still investigating with cybersecurity specialists to monitor the attacker's behavior in order to find out who's behind the attack. That concludes today's short video on this persistent attack. See you in the next.